Is your SQLite Project apps broken by the SQLite3-x64 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for SQLite3-x64 Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the SQLite3-x64 Library, the 64-bit implementation of the SQLite database engine. It provides applications with localized serverless data storage logic. It is a mandatory requirement for browsers and localized bookkeeping tools. If missing, the parent software will be unable to load user profile data or history manifests, citing a database module load failure. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The presence of SQLite3-x64 Library DLL is mandatory for SQLite Project to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite. With the error, we'll resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing SQLite3-x64 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Most individual downloads of SQLite3-x64 Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for SQLite3-x64 Library. If SQLite3-x64 Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.